Hello students, so in this video we are going to discuss this question. Question is minus 2 to 0, we have to find the integration of this x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 3 plus x plus 1 into cos x plus 1. So in this question, if you will see, this part is easy, this part integration you can do easily, correct? And this is another part. Okay, so I will break this question in two parts. So first, for this, like first x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 3 integration we can do easily, so we'll do. So I'm telling this correct. Okay, so I will do that. So if I will do integration of that x cube, it will be x4 upon 4 plus 3x square integration is x cube upon 3 plus 3x integration is x square upon 2 plus 3x, because 3, so integration of dx will be, so this I can solve easily, correct? Minus 2 to 0, so this we can find easily. So if you will calculate this, okay, that you will get easily. And then plus second part is that we have to integration of minus 2 to 0 x plus 1 into cos of x plus 1 dx, correct? So this part, so it will get calculated, okay, not a big deal. Okay, but यहाँ पे like how we will do x plus 1 cos x plus 1 x. So we can use one formula u into v. ये फॉर्मूला अगर आपको याद हो, u इंटू वी डी एक्स, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ u इंटू वी डी एक्स. इस फॉर्मूला, इसमें क्या होता है, राइट? हाउ वी आर राइटिंग दिस? सो फर्स्ट u आई विल राइट एज इट इज एंड देन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ वी डी एक्स. अब दिस इज अप टू यू कि आप क्या लेना चाहते हो, विच फंक्शन यू वांट टू टेक u, विच फंक्शन यू वांट टू टेक v, दैट इज अप टू यू, करेक्ट? सो फर्स्ट u एज इट इज एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ v dx. उसके बाद माइनस, वी विल पुट माइनस, देन होल इंटीग्रेशन, राइट? सो होल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट इन दिस. अभी क्या करेंगे, u का डेरिवेटिव करेंगे, करेक्ट? u का डेरिवेटिव मीन्स आई एम राइटिंग u डैश और आई एम राइटिंग du अपॉन dx, करेक्ट? और ऑलरेडी जो इंटीग्रेशन था v dx, दैट आई विल राइट एज इट इज. आफ्टर मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ डी अपॉन डी एक्स और वी डी एक्स जो मिलेगा, नाउ वी हैव टू डू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दैट, करेक्ट? सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. आई होप यू हैव स्टडीड. ओके, सो इस फॉर्मूला को यूज करके अभी आई विल सॉल्व दिस फंक्शन x प्लस 1 x प्लस 1. सो ऑब्वियसली इन दिस आई विल टेक u and this I will take v. Why I am taking x plus 1 as u? Because differentiation of u is easy, correct? Differentiation of u is easy, so I will take this as u. So using this I will write. Okay, now so this I will solve later. First I am solving this part. Okay, this or this you can, like this you can take this. If you will solve, what you will get, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So first part by putting upper limit, so you will get 0, you will get 0, so you will get 0 here, I am writing here, correct? And then minus, you will put now x as minus 2. So when you will put minus 2, so minus 2 to the power 4, minus 2 to the power 4, even power, so it will be positive. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 divided by 4 will be 4, so it will be 4, correct? And now this 2 will get cancelled, this 3 will get cancelled, and minus 2 cube, when you will put x as minus 2, so minus 2 cube is minus 8. Okay, and here if you will put x as 2, so minus 2 square is 4, positive 4, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, so 3 2 ja 6, so this will be plus of 6. And when you will put x as minus 2 here, then 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6, so minus 6. Okay, so this first part I have written. This first part, if you want to solve further, you will, this will get cancelled, so it will be 0 minus, and this will be 4 minus 8, so 4 minus 8 will be minus 4, so minus 4 and minus minus will become plus, so 0 plus 4, this 4. This just now we have solved this part, this first part value is 4. Okay, now I am going to solve the second, this one, x plus 1 cos x plus 1 dx. So in this, if I will solve, then what I will do, this I will take u, so I will write as it is, and then integration of this cos x plus 1. Integration of cos, you know what is the integration of cos? Sine. So sine x plus 1, so this will be sine of x plus 1, and then minus I will put, and then whole integration, correct, and then x plus 1 I will do derivative of u. So derivative of u is x plus 1 derivative is 1, obviously x derivative is 1 and 1 is 0, so 1, so 1 into, and again this integration, so this integration, so just now we found sin x plus 1, so 1 into sin x plus 1, so I will write sin x plus 1 only, because 1 you will multiply, nothing will change. Okay, ठीक है यहाँ तक? Okay, and integration of this, and after doing this I will take minus 2 to 0 as lower and upper limit. Okay, now this is so simple, this तो integration is already done. This integration if you will do sin integration, sin का क्या होता है integration? Sin integration is minus cos, sin is minus cos, so sin integration, this integration part will be minus of cos, so I will write minus cos, so minus, and here it is minus, so minus minus will become plus, so I am writing here integration will be minus sign, so minus and minus it will become plus, plus, and sin integration is cos, so cos x plus 1. Okay, now just you put the upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit is 0, so 0 if you will put, then the 0 plus 1 1, and then 0, then sin 0 plus 1 sin 1, so 1 into sin 1 you will get here 1 into sin 1. Okay, and plus here you will get if you will put x as 0, then cos 0 plus 1 cos 1, so you will get cos 1. So here 1 into sin 1 means sin 1 only, so 1 I will remove because 1 multiplied, then it will be same. This is first, and minus, then you will put minus, and then you will put, because lower limit we put, now I am going to put, sorry, upper limit I put, then I am going to put lower limit. So lower limit में put करेंगे क्या? minus 2, so minus 2 put कीजिए, so minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, so this will be minus 1 into sin minus 2 plus 1, so minus 2 plus 1 क्या होगा? minus 1, so sin of minus 1, अगर sin of minus 1 करेंगे तो sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, correct, so sin of minus 1 will be minus sin 1, so minus sin 1, and यहाँ पे already minus है, so minus minus will become plus, so it will be sin 1, it will be sin 1. Carefully you have to do, then you will put minus 2 here, so cos of minus 2 plus 1, so cos of minus 2 plus 1 means cos of minus 1, and आपको पता है cos of minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा? cos 1, because cos of minus theta is cos theta only. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा? plus cos 1, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? plus cos 1. Okay, now अभी देखिए this and this both are same with minus, so if you will open the bracket, then minus sin 1 and minus cos 1, so this will get cancelled, this 2 will get cancelled, this will cancel with this will cancel with this, so ultimately this you will get 0. Okay, so first part was, now again I will come here. Okay, so first part was 4, okay, correct, and second part when I calculated I got 0, so ultimately what you will get? This part is 4 plus 0, so what is the answer? 4, correct, 4 plus 0 4, so option A is the correct option. I hope you understood the solution. In this what we did, first B, this is simple, ये simple है, right, so इसका हमने इंटीग्रेशन डायरेक्टली कर लिया, इसका इंटीग्रेशन करके हमने लोअर लिमिट अपर लिमिट पुट कर दिया, देन आई गॉट 4. अब दूसरे में ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फंक्शन है, करेक्ट, सो इसको हमने अलग से सॉल्व किया, करेक्ट, आप साथ में भी कर सकते हो बट इट विल कंज्यूम टाइम. ओके, सो x प्लस 1 अननेसरली मुझे बार बार ये लिखना पड़ेगा, सो x प्लस 1 कॉस x प्लस 1, इसको हमने यूज किया u इंटू वी डी एक्स फॉर्मूला, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ u इंटू वी डी एक्स, और उस फॉर्मूला को यूज करके हमने इसका इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड आउट किया, देन आई पुट अपर लिमिट एंड लोअर लिमिट, देन आई गॉट 0, सो 4 प्लस 0 is 4, so final answer will be 4. Option A is the correct option. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any confusion, then you can ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching.